Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 9 screws on the base cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to lift it off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify and unlatch the memory module. Grasp the module by the edges to remove it from the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system and relatch it. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the 9 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.